Hi everybody, Dr. Belding here with a construction update from the Agricultural Science Facility. Very excited to report to you that the buildings are substantially complete, and with a little bit of fence work left to do and then finishing out the punch list items, which they're really close on, we are pretty much done with this project. Once water service is provided, then we can finish our final inspections and then be able to move in. So really excited about that, and thank you so much for your patience through this process. So I want to show you a few features of the here in the pen barn. First off, you can see just the sheer amount of increased capacity we're going to have for students to have projects here and to be able to house those. This is a great program, our ag program, and we want to continue to grow it and allow as many students as possible to be able to participate. The thing I want to point out to you, the big feature within the barn is providing water to each one of these stalls can be a little bit of a challenge. So in the design of this, we've got the water pipe running across the ceiling there, and fantastic insulation throughout this building to make sure nothing freezes. And then you can see how that pipe is coming down to serve 4 different pens. And we've got different hoses that are coming off of there to feed water into those 4 pens down into a water bowl. So I think that's a really smart and innovative design. There is a cutoff valve right there at the bottom of that insulation in order to be able to turn the water off to this one section and not have to turn the water off to all the pens in case we need to repair something or do something with that. In addition, there is a faucet right there in the middle. That way that a water hose or some type of hose or something can be attached to it to clean out or to do whatever's needed. And I thought that was a really nice feature to this, and again, to be as smart as possible within this building. So we appreciate Command Builder's hard work on that and to provide us a really smart design on this. So I'm going to walk out of this particular pen and show you back here on the back southern wall are the wash stations, and you can see that the gate system there is in that particular wash station, and that was fabricated by some of our ag students and Mr. Yarborough. So we are very excited that our kids are able to contribute to this particular facility as well. And I'm walking through, and right now it's about 3:40 p.m. in the afternoon, and it's so quiet in here. You can hear a little bit of road noise, but just how quiet it is in the building is very impressive and is a tribute to the insulation and just the quality of work that was done. But I'm giving you a little broader view of the pen barn and just again, the number of pens that we can have. We've got some electrical lines that are running down here, like extension cords, and that way if the kids need to plug an appliance in to do some grooming or whatever that might be, they've got that electrical power provided right there in the middle as well. So we've got the large ceiling fans to be able to move ventilated air through, and great heating systems in this building. So again, it's such a great facility to support a great program for great students. So thank you to our community, and again, thank you for your patience, and especially to our ag families who have continued to take care of animals and projects during construction, and we know that without your cooperation, it would have been much more challenging. So again, thank you to everybody for your support.